A short magnet oscillates with a time period 0.1 second at a place where a horizontal magnetic field is 24 microtesla. A downward current of 18 ampere is established in a vertical wire 20 centimeter east of the magnet. The new time period of the oscillator is. Generally, we know the time period of the oscillating magnet T is equal to 2 pi root over I by MBH. Now here, all the quantities are constant except field. So let us write T inversely proportional to BH. Thereby T1 by T2. From that T1 by T2 is equal to root over BH2 by, this is BH1, and as per the question, a downward current of 18 ampere is established in a vertical wire 20 centimeter east of the magnet. So the initial horizontal component is the BH1. The final value of the field BH2 is equal to, it is a wire which carrying the current I. From the wire at a distance r, P is a point. At that point magnetic induction field P is equal to mu naught I by, so let us write 2 pi r. So the total field is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r plus BH1. Since, as per the question, here a short magnet with the south and north poles which is oscillating with a time period of 0.1 second. So T1 is equal to 0.1 second, which is placed where a horizontal magnetic field is at 24 microtesla. BH1 is equal to 24 microtesla. A downward current of 18 ampere is established in a vertical wire 20 centimeter east of the magnet. That means it is oscillating around. This is a vertical wire which carrying a current of 18 ampere, which is at a distance of 20 centimeter. This is the 20 centimeter. Then taking the total field, this is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into I value 18 by, this is 2 pi into R value 20 into 10 power minus 2 plus 24 microtesla, which is equal to 18 into 10 power minus 7 by 10 power minus 1 plus 24, this is the microtesla. This should become 18 microtesla plus 24 microtesla, which is equal to 42 microtesla after adding both. Then substitute here. Now we need to find T2 value. So here T1 by T2 is equal to a root over BH2 42, BH1 24, which is equal to root over 7 by 4, that is 1.32 after simplification. Therefore T2 is equal to T1 by 1.32. T1 value they said 0.1. 0.1 by 1.32 is equal to 0.076 approximately. Therefore T2 is equal to 0.06 seconds. So third option is right option.